Freedom Skills with $20. Tips on approaching banks/credit unions for business credit and building it up quickly.
Say that first part again. What?
Tips on approaching banks/credit unions for business credit and building it up quickly. I have good personal credit, but no vendor accounts for my business yet.
Why do you need money? Vendor accounts. You can open. So the first way to do it is to open a Uline account, a Staples account. You can open a water account. The ones that you can do, put your phones in what is that? Put your phones in your business name.
Sorry.
What the hell is that? Oh my God, the ghost's coming, Chris. Doc. My daughter, she acts a fool. She like prison studs. Orange is the New Black. Why? She should watch Rumble in the Bronx. Why does not my daughter? Why should she watch Orange is the New Black? She should watch Rumble in the Bronx. Anyway.
Yeah.
So I think quick to establish business credit, you could use Uline or some of your business supply. Those are fast ways to establish like lines of credit for your business that they'll take anybody, literally. Home Depot is one, I think. Just small things you can buy to establish. You can quickly get a credit card. Amex is almost immediately. Proven lines of credit. But dude, I'm not a big fan of taking business credit for. I don't know what you need to do, but like have a really, really good plan for borrowing money. I'm not like growing business on margin is not my cup of tea. I don't know much about that. I'm not like some fucking banking magnate. But anytime I see like a lot of these guys like go and get business credit and then borrow $200 for what? For what? Say I gave you the $200,000. If you didn't have it, like you're fucked. Like people being able to people thinking they can just like actualize $200,000. Like if you had $200,000 right now, I used to love to ask this question. If you had $200,000 dropped right on your plate right now, but it had to be for you can't like you had to do something with it. You had to invest. You couldn't like spend it on holiday.
Food truck.
You do a food truck? What kind of food truck? No, you have to do something.
Food, American barbecue, Korean fusion food truck.
Wow.
And I don't know. No, I'm just like kind of joking. I don't know what I would do.
Yeah.
Because I would have to think, and I would have to.
I feel like people are just like, I'll just do the food truck, and then like, why is a food truck $200,000, right? No, I don't know. I don't think there is a right answer. I just think like, I just think that like automatically assuming that you can just take on capital on margin, like you take a loan, you have to pay it back.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. And like, have this, pay it back, bam, there you go. Like I hate when they oversimplify that shit. That's super dangerous. It's a fast way to being broke or a bust out or a liar. If your business is so good or if your product is so good, you should be able to profit, move on, grow normally. You know what I mean? Keeping people happy, wages on par, et cetera, but taking money on margin to grow, if you can borrow at 7% and grow at 30%, then shut up. I don't know. I'm dumb. I'm not pro on it. I'm sure Donald Trump would know how to do it. No, I didn't go to the Wharton School of Business, but I whenever I hear people reverting to thinking that borrowing money to I don't know, it's just never. I've never seen success stories out of that as much as you'd think. But I don't know.